In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear OneDrive storage. Let's start by acknowledging that OneDrive is a cloud storage service from Microsoft that allows you to store files securely online, accessible from anywhere. Despite its convenience, there comes a time when your storage starts to fill up, and managing your space efficiently becomes essential. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to clear unnecessary files from your OneDrive, ensuring your storage is optimized for your needs. First and foremost, access the Microsoft web page. You can do this by typing microsoft.com into your browser's search bar. Once you're on the page, locate and click on the Sign In button, often found at the top right corner. This is your gateway to accessing all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Now it's time to sign into your Microsoft account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address. Ensure you enter the email associated with your OneDrive account accurately. After inputting your email, click on the Next button to proceed. Following this, you will be asked to enter your password. Be sure to enter your password carefully. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it. Upon entering your password, click on the next prompt to continue. If you're on a trusted device, you might want to click Yes when asked if you want the browser to remember your credentials. This can save you time in the future, but if you're using a shared or public computer, it's safer to choose No. Once you've successfully signed in, navigate to the Microsoft Suite options. You'll find an option labeled All Microsoft, which when clicked unfolds into a variety of Microsoft services and applications. Look for OneDrive among these options. This is Microsoft's cloud storage solution where you hold your files and documents. After clicking on OneDrive, you might be prompted to sign in again. This step ensures that your storage and files are kept secure under Microsoft's protocols. Enter your credentials once more if required. Now onto the main event, managing your OneDrive storage. Once signed in, direct yourself to the home page of your OneDrive. This interface is user-friendly, displaying your files and the storage space you've utilized. On the bottom left side of the screen, you'll notice a small storage meter, possibly showing something like 2.5 GB used. Click on this meter. This action will lead you to a more detailed view of your storage usage. Next, select the OneDrive option from the storage management page. Here you'll see a breakdown of how your storage is distributed across different files and folders. It's time to identify the files you no longer need. These could be old documents, redundant photos, or files you've backed up elsewhere. OneDrive provides a clear view of which files are consuming the most space, making it easier for you to decide what to clear. To start clearing space, simply select the files or folders you wish to delete and proceed to remove them. It's that simple. As you delete unnecessary files, you'll notice your available storage increase, giving you more space for important documents and media. A couple of pro tips to keep in mind. Remember to periodically review your storage to keep it optimized. And if you ever accidentally delete something important, OneDrive typically holds deleted items in the recycle bin for a limited time, allowing you to recover them. That's it. You've just learned how to manage and clear your OneDrive storage, ensuring you make the most out of your available space. Keep these steps in mind and your digital storage will be more organized and efficient, sparing you from unnecessary stress over storage limits. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips on managing your digital life seamlessly. Until next time.